Hello, welcome back. It's finally spring in Korea and we are at the Daejeo Ecological Park. Okay, one, two,
One, two,
three. Where is Ria? Surprise! Ria 여기 있어. Daejeo Ecological Park is located near to Gimpo Airport and it takes about 20 to 30-minute drive from central Busan. Also easily accessible by Metro Line 3, Gongseogu Office Station. April is the month of flowers in Korea and we are surrounded by the beautiful canola fields spread all around. Ria stopped by here and she just went inside and sat down and asked us to take some pictures. I didn't understand in the beginning and then when I saw this, yeah, she's trying to copy. Yeah, you can do. This park has a perfect pathway for bike riding along the Nakdong River and strolling around. And this canola festival has opened after 2 years, and it's pretty much crowded on weekends. We come here pretty often too. This park is mainly famous for canola flowers, sunflowers, cosmos, and pink grass, and is feast all around the year. Daejeo Ecological Park holds the first place in Korea to have the largest canola flowers. I'm struggling to hold Ria, but yeah, she's growing up and she wanna be independent most of the time. It's really fun to watch a child grow. Ria's favorite days are mostly weekend, Saturday and Sunday, that she can spend with us. So every time I ask her what's your favorite day or what day is today, she'll just say Sunday or Saturday. So we mostly have a relaxed day or some outdoor, depending on the weather. And our favorite season is spring. And I really wish whoever is watching is going to have a great day as well. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.